I'm scared about going to see the CEO of a company. I want to sell my product. I want to be successful. How do I overcome that?
That's a good question. I think you know the answer to that.
Well, the answer, I think, Brad, is to make sure that you overcome all your fears, because the success-driven person will overcome anything that he feels ashamed or embarrassed about. Because if he can overcome those little emotions that are telling him not to do that, he will then become successful in whatever he does by moving forward and by crossing the line of embarrassment and being ashamed. So I always tell my son and my daughter never to feel ashamed, never to feel embarrassed. If I wanted to go meet Brad Powe today and I didn't know him, I would pick up the phone, I would send him an email, or I would wait for him to come out or come to his office and say, "Hi Brad, I'm Richard. I'm here to speak to you today. You may say, I'm sorry, you don't have time for me, but come back again at 11 o'clock tomorrow," which I'd be happy to do. But it's very important that you reach out to that person.